In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive UI elements with a hover effect, focusing on the example of a button. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of dynamic interaction to their digital designs, making them not only visually appealing, but also engaging for users. Let's begin by creating the UI element itself. For this demonstration, we'll use a simple button, which generally comprises a rectangle paired with some text. Keep it clean and straightforward, focusing on the essential details like size, proportions, and alignment that will make your button both functional and visually attractive. Once you're happy with the look of your button, the next step is to convert it into a component. This is a crucial move because setting it up as a component allows you to create and manage multiple states effectively. So, go ahead and select your newly created button. A right-click will reveal a context menu where you'll choose the option to Make Component. You could also use the handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+K for Windows users or CMD+K on a Mac. This action turns your UI element into a robust component ready for further enhancements. With your button now a component, direct your attention to the Property Inspector panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you will find a section titled States, and under this section, you'll notice something labeled Default State. This default is your button's basic state, the one that appears when there's no interaction from the user. Now let's add some interactivity to it. Look right next to the default state, and you'll see a plus icon. Clicking on this brings up a menu, and from there, select Hover State. By doing this, you've added a new layer of interactivity to your component. The component now features two distinct states, default and hover. Focusing on the newly created hover state, it's time to get creative. Select this hover state and begin tweaking its appearance. You could change the fill color to a brighter shade, adjust the shadow for depth, or even alter the text color to make your button pop. The goal here is to ensure that when a user hovers over the button, there is a noticeable and attractive visual change, signaling interactivity. Once you've styled the hover state to your satisfaction, switch back to the default state to check that everything's just the way you initially designed it. This cross-check allows you to ensure consistency and accuracy in your component's functionality. It's now time to see all your hard work in action. Click on the preview icon located on the top toolbar, which will simulate how your design behaves on a desktop. When you hover over your button, it should automatically transition to the hover state, showcasing that lovely effect you just configured. This visual change confirms that your hover effect has been successfully implemented. And there you have it, a beautifully interactive UI element designed to enhance the user experience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.